Raise the motorised roof in your California 6.1 Ocean or Surf. First, ensure the sliding side door is open. This is because additional air will be drawn into the vehicle as the roof goes up. Now slide back the hatch situated above the driver and passenger seats. To operate the motorised roof, the engine doesn't need to be running, but the ignition must be switched on. Next, using the control panel, find the pop-up roof. Select Open. Then press and hold the button. Your California will ask you to check the available space above the roof. If you're happy to proceed, press and hold the button again. Keep the button pressed until the roof is fully extended and the motor goes quiet. If you're not using the upper bed right away, push it up for more space. When you're ready to lower the roof, ensure the bed is lowered. Return to the control panel, select Close and follow the same process. As with opening the roof, remember to keep the sliding side door open because air will be pushed out of the vehicle as the roof comes down.